The demand for the RTX 4070 series laptops is currently booming. Among them, RTX 4070 models are preferable by most buyers mainly because of their affordability. So if you're looking for some of the best RTX 4070 laptops, then take a look at our top 7 recommendations which you might find to be helpful.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Starting off, we have the HP Omen 17 laptop boasting impressive performance and design. It's powered by a 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessors. In addition, the RTX 4070 GPU provides a seamless and lag-free gaming experience. Besides, the 17.3-inch anti-glare display with a resolution of 1440p and a 165Hz refresh rate is a great addition when it comes to smooth visual experience. The 3 millisecond response time ensures that gaming is enjoyable and smooth, and also it supports Wi-Fi 6E, providing a faster and more stable internet connection. The dual fan cooling system is another remarkable feature, keeping the laptop cool and preventing overheating during extended gaming sessions. On a single charge, the battery life is impressive, providing up to 5 hours of use depending on what games you play. With its excellent design, powerful performance, and advanced features, the Omen 17 laptop is an outstanding choice for gamers and power users alike. Moving on, we have the Predator Helios 16, a stylish and powerful gaming laptop that delivers top-notch performance. It features a 13th generation Intel Core i9 processor and comes with the RTX 4070 GPU. Users can also choose the RTX 4080 GPU for an even better performance. One of the most impressive features of the Predator Helios 16 is its dual-fan vapor heat pipes with liquid metal thermal grease, which efficiently keeps the laptop running cool even during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, the detachable rear exhaust plates further enhance the cooling capabilities of this laptop. With a refresh rate of up to 250Hz, the mini LED display of the Predator Helios 16 is stunning, delivering swift visuals whenever you're playing games. The Predator Helios 16 is definitely worth checking out if your main priority is gaming on a portable device. Boasting a sleek and attractive design, the Aorus 15X ASF offers a premium look and feel. Its aluminum chassis and glass touchpad featuring an anti-fingerprint coating provide a modern touch to its appearance. Additionally, this laptop is water repellent, making it less susceptible to damage from accidental spills. Under the hood, it's powered by a 13th gen Intel Core i9 processor and an RTX 4070 GPU, making it an excellent choice for gamers who desire exceptional performance. In addition to that, it features a quad-fan cooling system that operates quietly and includes a large vapor chamber, resulting in up to 35% improved cooling efficiency. Its sleek design, powerful hardware, and advanced cooling system make it a compelling option for those in search of high-quality gaming laptops. Next, we have the Katana B13 VGK. With the power of a 13th gen Intel Core i7 processor and DDR5 memory module, this laptop is built to handle the most demanding tasks. Not to mention the impressive 4-zone RGB keyboard with number pad and highlighted WASD caps, it adds a touch of style to the laptop. Additionally, the laptop comes with a Gen 4 NVMe PCIe SSD, which provides lightning-fast storage speeds. On top of that, the RTX 4070 under the hood does an amazing job for gamers who demand exceptional graphical performance. Also, the dual-fan cooling system with 6 heat pipes ensure the laptop stays cool even during extended gaming sessions. Additionally, it boasts a 15.6-inch display with 1080p resolution and 144Hz of refresh rate, making it ideal for gamers who prioritize fast and smooth visuals. Overall, the MSI Katana B13 VGK is quite an amazing gaming laptop with a range of impressive features. Coming up next is the Alienware X16. A fantastic on-the-go gaming machine that will surely impress you with its stunning performance. With a sleek design and 100 micro LED lightings, the laptop looks pretty attractive. Featuring a 16-inch screen with 2560 by 1600 resolution and a 240Hz refresh rate, the laptop delivers smooth and fast visuals that are sure to delight gamers. Besides that, it's powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which ensures a smooth user experience. It also includes an RTX 4070 GPU, which can be configured up to an RTX 4090, providing gamers with an outstanding graphical performance. With its lightweight and compact design, the laptop is perfect for gaming on the go, whether on a long flight or taking it out to your class. So yeah, those who are looking for an excellent on-the-go gaming laptop with an RTX 4070 GPU in it should definitely check out this one. Now, if you're looking for a laptop that's perfect for both gaming and work, check out the Razer-Blade 16. One of its most impressive features is its dual-mode mini LED display, allowing you to easily switch between 240Hz gaming mode and 120Hz creator mode. This makes it a great choice for both gamers and creators alike. With 95.2 watt-hour long battery life, this laptop also provides extended gaming sessions without the need for frequent charging. And with THX spatial audio, you'll enjoy an immersive sound experience, while the Razer Chroma keyboard and large touchpad make for easy navigation. In short, the Razer Blade 16 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an RTX 40 series laptop that can handle both gaming and work. And finally, we have the ASUS-TUF Gaming A17, which is one of the best RTX 40 series laptops on the market. This revamped version of the previous TUF Gaming A17 boasts an improved design, including a 26% larger touchpad and a mini LED RGB keyboard. Unlike other laptops on the list, this one includes the Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, which makes it a perfect gaming laptop, all thanks to its combined power with the RTX 4070 graphics. With up to 2 PCIe and NVMe SSD slots, you can also enjoy lightning-fast storage speeds. The dual-fan cooling system with up to 4 exhaust vents ensured that the ASUS-TUF Gaming A17 stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. Not to mention its 1440p resolution and 240Hz refresh rate, you'll enjoy a smooth and seamless gaming experience. Besides that, it also got a built-in Dolby Atmos speaker, a Type-C port with 100-watt power delivery, and a USB 4.0 connection. In conclusion, for those who demand the best from their gaming laptop, the TUF Gaming A17 is definitely a worthwhile investment. So that was all about our top 7 best RTX 4070 gaming laptops. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.